Introducing this 2015 Chrysler Town & Country Touring L wheelchair accessible van. This van combines premium comfort, low mileage, and advanced accessibility with a Rolex side entry automatic in-floor ramp conversion. With only 36,000 miles, this Town & Country is a standout option for anyone looking for a refined, comfortable, and reliable mobility van. The automatic in-floor ramp provides smooth, convenient access and stores neatly beneath the floor when not in use. That means you get a cleaner, more open interior without the ramp folding into the cabin. Inside, you'll find a warm, upscale brown leather interior that pairs beautifully with the elegant gold exterior. This van also includes a driver's side and passenger side turnout seat, giving users and caregivers more flexibility when entering, exiting, and positioning inside the vehicle. Under the hood, it's powered by a dependable 3.6-liter V6 engine, delivering smooth performance for daily driving, appointments, errands, or longer trips. What we really like about this van is the combination of comfort and convenience. The Touring L trim gives it a luxury feel, while the Rolex in-floor ramp system keeps the interior open, clean, and easy to use. If you're looking for a low-mileage, wheelchair-accessible van with premium features, transfer seating, and automatic side entry access, this 2015 Chrysler Town & Country Touring L with Rolex accessibility, it's a great choice. Call AutoMobility Store today and ask us about availability, financing, warranty options, and nationwide shipping and delivery.